wolves. This pack is led by an experienced female. If she can't lead them to food, the coming winter could be their last. Musk oxen. They are 5 times the size of a wolf. The wolves try to isolate the weak or the young. A calf stumbles, and the pack leader immediately closes in. But the herd regroups, horns at the ready. Every unsuccessful hunt leaves the pack weakened. This musk ox has died from a disease. Despite their hunger, the pack don't eat this carcass. Another herd. Another chance for the pack. This time, the wolves manage to split the herd. That may improve their chances. The lead female makes sure that the oxen do not reach the ridge again. With one less defender, the calf is more vulnerable. A much-needed meal